If you have clicked this video, then I am very sure that you will definitely end this video with a fantastic smile. If you have clicked this video, then I am very sure that you will definitely end this video with a fantastic smile.
Okay. Now we will convert audio into a professional one in just one click with the help of the AI website. Yes, you heard it right, in just one click. Many new YouTubers are struggling to get a perfect audio for your videos. Either you will be struggling with the background noise, or with the voice enhancement, or with your mobile phones. We will see how to remove the background noise from your recorded audios, and will also enhance the voice so that it exactly hears like professional voice. And also some creators have monetization issues with the AI-generated voices. In this video, all these problems will be solved in just one tap. If you are using your own voice in your videos, then you might be facing the problem of getting some unwanted background noise. Many of them are using the mics for this purpose, but not anymore. If you are using your own voice, then go for Google and ask for the Adobe Podcast website. This website helps you to enhance your voice, and it removes all your unwanted background noises. Let's try this one. After opening the page, log in to the website and click on the Enhance Speech. Now upload the audio, which you have recorded. It hardly takes some 15 to 20 seconds for enhancement. After enhancement, you can hear the voice. This is the simple one-click process for those who use their own voice in their videos. If you are using the AI-generated voices, then you can follow the same process, but some creators face the problem of monetization, so for the safer side, you need to download the Lexis Audio Editor application. Now open the app, import the AI-generated audio which you have downloaded. Now go to the effects option and change the pitch to 1 halftone and click on Apply. And again, go to the effects option and now normalize the audio. And next again, go to the effects option. Now you need to change the tempo. So change the tempo to 3% and click on Apply. So now the audio is ready. Save the audio to your files. You may ask me that, what did we do just now? Well, we have converted the AI-generated voices to normal recorded voice by changing its voice pitch so that your audio will not be sounding like an AI voice, it will be hearing like a normal recorded voice. So now the same process, go to the Adobe Podcast website and enhance the voice for better quality. So this is the AI website where you can actually remove the background noise and enhance your voice. The viewers will think that you have used some professional high-budget mics for your audio, but no, you will be using this website. This website will make your voice better, and after enhancement you will surely love the results. And also, this application helps you to generate the AI voice to normal recorded voice. So try this once and tell me the results in the comment section, and I hope this will definitely help you for generating the better audio for your videos. And lastly, as a bonus point, I will tell you my personal trick where viewers get attracted while listening to your voice in your videos. Go to the CapCut or any other editing software. Now export the audio which you have downloaded in the Adobe Podcast website. Now cut all the silent parts in the audio and rejoin the audio, that's it. If you leave the gap between the sentences, then chances are high that viewers may be distracted. So cut all the silent parts so that your viewers will get a better experience while listening to your audio. So guys, this was today's video, and if you found this helpful, then please do subscribe to the channel, and you can also check out my recent videos for such simple growing tricks. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.